I lovingly call the witch. That is one awesome pick. Let me turn it around for you so you can see it, man. It's just, yeah, I call this baby the witch. Yep. Anyway, this is day number 3 of my quarantine, and let's see, that's pick number 2 that I've made during this quarantine, and we're just going to keep on making picks, because I don't know anything else to do. Wow, that is awesome. That is awesome. But let's see here if we can measure it for you guys. Okay. So the entire pick, it comes to right at 5 inches. The actual pick itself is about 1 3/4 inches, and the handle is right at 3 inches. So the entire pick is 5 inches long, almost exactly. So yeah, that's one awesome pick, man. Anyway, we're doing the best that we can. I hope everyone out there is doing well. And we're just going to keep on doing what we do, man. Please subscribe and comment. I'll talk to you guys later.